Hello everyone and welcome back to our series of solutions videos for the new grammar tree textbook. In today's video, we will be discussing Chapter 9, Adjectives, Comparison, for Class 6. I'm here to provide you with the solutions to the exercises in this chapter. So, let's dive right in. Let's remember. A. Use the correct form of the adjectives given in the brackets to fill the blanks. 1. Rama is better than Anu in math, but Yesha is the dash of all three. Answer: best. 2. Of the 30 children in the class, Amjad is the dash. Answer: tallest. 3. Myra's garden is dash than mine. Answer: larger. 4. Every girl wore a colored dress, but her dress was dash than that of others. Answer: more colorful. 5. It is difficult to find who is the dash in the whole class. Answer: most intelligent. 6. He is dash than anyone else I have met. Answer: more careless. 7. I find the yellow dress dash than the blue one. Pretty? Answer: prettier. 8. The fox has a reputation for being the dash animal in all animal stories. Answer: most cunning. 9. The more badly you behave, the dash your reputation will you be. Answer: worse. 10. I find field hockey dash than ice hockey. Answer: more interesting. B. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the words in brackets. 1. Ram is dash than his brother. Answer: smarter. 2. This test is dash of all. Answer: the most difficult. 3. Harish is dash than any other boy. Answer: more focused. 4. Mr. Mishra is dash teacher in our school. Answer: the most popular. 5. Who do you think is a dash singer, she or I? Answer: better. 6. She is not dash as her younger sister. Answer: as friendly. 7. This dress is fine, but I would prefer a dash one. Answer: brighter. 8. They are all very good dancers, but I found the girl who came on the stage last the dash. Answer: best. 9. This drawing is dash than the other one. Answer: more accurate. 10. Mr. Singh is dash to my father. Answer: senior. 11. I did not enjoy the show at all, but the last act was the dash. Answer: worst. 12. Test cricket is always dash one-day cricket. Answer: preferable. 13. The dash you go, the dash the path becomes. Answer: farther. More difficult. 14. The dash member in my house is the cat, she is always playing. Answer: most active. 15. The doctors are saying that this toothpaste is dash that toothpaste. Answer: inferior to. Let's revise. C. Rewrite each of the sentences given below, using the appropriate degree of comparison as indicated. 1. The red dress was pretty. Change to comparative degree. Answer: the red dress was prettier than others. 2. He is wealthier than all other businessmen in our city. Change to superlative degree. Answer: he is the wealthiest of all the businessmen in our city. 3. The Pacific is the largest of all oceans. Change to comparative degree. Answer: the Pacific is larger than all other oceans. 4. The Himalayas are higher than the Andes. Change using not with positive degree to show comparison. Answer: the Andes are not higher than the Himalayas. 5. Vinay scored higher than Rumiz. Change using not with positive degree to show comparison. Answer: Rumiz did not score higher than Vinay. 6. This test is difficult. The previous one was also difficult. Change to show equal comparison. Answer: this test is as difficult as the previous one. 7. She is not as friendly as I had thought. Change to the comparative degree using less. Answer: she is less friendly than I had thought. 8. Naman is the best spin bowler in our team. Change to the comparative degree. Answer: Naman is a better spin bowler than all others in our team. 9. I found the last sum in this exercise more difficult than the other sums. Change to the superlative degree. Answer: I found the last sum in this exercise the most difficult. 10. Mr. Biswas is the most respected member on the staff. Change to the comparative degree. Answer: Mr. Biswas is more respected than any other member of the staff. 11. The new school playground is smaller than the earlier one. To the positive degree. Answer: the new school playground is very small. 12. The new principal is strict. The one before him was also strict. Join into a single sentence, using the positive degree. Answer: the new principal is as strict as the previous one. 13. The patient looks weak today. She did not look so weak yesterday. Join into a single sentence, using the comparative degree. Answer: the patient looks weaker than yesterday. 14. It rained heavily in August. It did not rain so heavily in July. Join into a single sentence, using the comparative degree. Answer: it rained more heavily in August than in July. 15. Children are very observant. Many parents don't realize how observant children are. Join into a single sentence, using the comparative degree. Answer: children are more observant than many parents realize. And that concludes our solutions video for Chapter 9, Adjectives, Comparison, from the new Grammar Tree textbook for Class 6. I hope this video has been helpful in clarifying any doubts you may have had regarding this chapter. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and we'll be glad to assist you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more solutions videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.